Good Monday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas Weather, and let's go ahead and take a look at today's outlook. We're going to start off by taking a look at the conditions for the beginning of this week, and really today. Hot and humid conditions to start, but a cold front and some rain could be potentially on the way, and we're going to take a look at the 6-day forecast with all that, and potentially take a look at what's going on beyond this time frame and what the Climate Prediction Center is showing potentially for the next 14 days. And so there as well. Now, taking a look currently at the forecasted highs for today, you see forecasted highs are going to be in the upper 90s today. I do have a few areas reaching 100 degrees down there in far southwestern Arkansas, across Camden, Magnolia, El Dorado, the far, I guess you'd say, southeastern corner of southwest Arkansas, with heat index values reaching potentially between that 105 degrees area. Texarkana could reach up to 107 degrees today. Mena could get near 100 degrees for their heat index values today, but heat advisories are out for today. Make sure to stay hydrated and try to do anything outdoors. Get that done in the morning if you can. If you can't, just make sure to stay hydrated and cool the best that you can. Real quickly, let's take a look at current conditions across the area. As you can see, current conditions are showing temperatures already in the 80s as of 8 a.m. There across the area here. And if we take a look at radar, there's not a whole lot going on. Not a whole lot at all. This is kind of just, there's not actual showers or anything going on there. That's just showing you different things going on there as well. Then taking a look at satellite, maybe some few clouds potentially up there near the Mena area, but mostly sunny to sunny skies across the area there, and you can continue to see that across the area. So that's what we're expecting for today. Mostly sunny skies across the area, or to sunny skies here at this current time. Not expecting a whole lot, and we're going to continue to watch for that potential as we go throughout the day today. Mainly expecting sunny skies, maybe a small chance of an isolated shower or storm, summer type shower or storm across the El Dorado area. It's that time of year, you always have to watch for those chances. Now, as we go into the overnight time frame, overnight lows are going to be in the pretty much mid 70s across the area here. So you can see pretty much we're going to stay hot and humid for the next, for basically through at least Wednesday. But as we head into Wednesday, some rain chances are in the forecast. 30 to 50% chance of rain, or starting off as 30, increasing to 50% there in the afternoon. But starting off Monday and Tuesday, or today and tomorrow, high is going to be pretty much copycat the next 2 days. Pretty much highs in the mid to upper 90s, with overnight lows in the mid 70s. Sunny, mostly sunny skies. Got to watch those afternoon rain chances, but I really think the rain picks up as we head into Wednesday. 30 to 50% chance some afternoon, or 30% chance of some afternoon storms with partly cloudy skies, and that really increases as we head into the overnight hours to around 50%. Highs on Wednesday are going to be up there in the mid to upper 90s potentially again. Overnight lows around 70, but a cold front does move through Wednesday night. And as you can see there on Thursday, some rain chances continue with a 60% chance of rain on Thursday, and highs in the lower 80s potentially there across the area. So once again, potentially some cooler air here in store. And as we continue to see that, you can see there that trend continues into Friday there as well, and continues across the area, or across 6-day forecast anyways, with some isolated storm chances, 30 to 20%, and highs in the 80s throughout this time frame. Mostly sunny skies to end out the week, with those isolated thunderstorm chances of 30 to 20% there, with overnight lows in the upper to mid 60s. So once again, a little bit of a cool down potentially coming. We just got to get through this next 3 days really, and then we could see some cooler conditions there as well. Real quickly, I do want to show you this here. This is the Climate Prediction Center. And what you're seeing here, if we zoom out across the country, you see these red colors here. The higher that red, or the darker that red color really gets, when you get a little further out to these oranges and tan color areas, that's your above average potential temperature. These are the Climate Prediction Center outlooks. This is for the next 6 to 10 days as of Monday. Once again, This doesn't necessarily mean that, oh, hey, you're going to see super cold temperatures. What this means is these red colors here mean above average, potential for above average temperatures for this time of year, while this blue color here shows you below average temperatures, potential temperatures. So I think our average is in the 90s usually this time of year. So this is basically showing, hey, there's a good chance we could see 80s potentially as we head into this weekend and such across the area here, and even a little further north of potentially in the 70s there with that there as well. Real quickly here, let me adjust this and let's take another look at the precipitation outlook, and you'll see here this green color shows the potential for above normal precipitation for this time of year, and that trend looks to be likely across the southern portion of the country, which does include us. Now, as we go into the next 8 to 14 days, even still showing potential for some below average temperatures. So we could actually continue this trend of maybe some below average temperatures and maybe some above average rainfall chances potentially as we head throughout the rest of this time frame, maybe throughout the second half of July. We'll have to watch that and continue to keep you updated on that. Remember, these climate prediction centers center outlooks changes on a weekly basis and sometimes multiple times a week. So we'll keep you updated. This basically is one of the tools that we use to build a forecast and just gives us an idea on what we could potentially see after we look past, when you start looking in that 8 to 14 day time frame. Doesn't mean every day is going to be exactly below average. 80 degrees, but the general idea is most of those days could be below average, and that, once again, on the rainfall side of things, that doesn't necessarily mean every day you're going to see rain, but it means that, hey, there's a chance that you could see some above average precipitation during that time frame. That's the best way to look at that. So we're going to continue to watch that and keep you updated, but some cool down is coming, and we'll continue to keep you updated with the newest on that. Big thanks, as always, to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, and Fort Smith Therapy for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. And once again, we're going to be continuing to look for that potential cool down as we head into Wednesday night and into Thursday. And there's some rain chances in the forecast for that time frame. Currently, no severe weather outlooks for that day, or no severe weather chances right now for that day. We're going to watch that closely. It's summertime, you got those warmer temperatures, and you just always have to watch for those potential, for that potential in a way. But we'll keep you updated as we get closer to that. But at this time, mainly some cool down coming and some rainfall there. But remember, hot and humid conditions to start out Monday and Tuesday and into Wednesday, when Wednesday's kind of the mixture of some rain chances and the heat, and then we cool down throughout the second half of the week. So as always, have a good rest of your Monday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.